Hello guys, welcome to Prevailing Media. Today's tutorial, I'll be teaching how to create a 3D pop-out effect for Instagram using Pixellab. I'll be using Pixellab app. So first of all, you open your Pixellab. After doing that, click on this plus icon over there. Then click on from gallery. Then click on this picture, this screenshot of Instagram. Then enlarge it small. Then you get something like this. Then go to a relative, click on this place, then go to relative position, then move it to the middle. Then after that, lock it, then delete this new text. So after doing that, click on this plus again, then click on from gallery, then click on the image. The image download link will be available in the description, so don't worry, download link will be available in the description. So then after doing that, you get something like this. Just enlarge it. So after doing something like this, then just go to mask, then move this mask something to something like this, then click on enable, then mark it. And after that, copy the image. So after doing that, go to mask again, then click on out, then you get something like this. So you just click on the last one, you just you copied the last one, you just move it to be so move it so the thing will rhyme. So after moving it, so you get something like this. Then move it, hold on this last one, then move it to the back like this. So you get something like this. So after doing that, just merge it, then go to color, click on this place, then click on color, then move here. So you can choose any color of your choice. For me, I'll be choosing this purple gradient. So then you get something like this. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment box, or if you are a new subscriber, please don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah.